Next tonight appears to be very good news indeed. Scientists at the University of Leicester say they've made a major breakthrough in the fight against one of the world's deadliest diseases.
They believe that they've found a way of curing malaria, something that kills hundreds of thousands of people every year. Here's Tom Brown.
The tiny mosquito that can carry such a devastating disease. Just one bite can leave the body helpless to infection as it spreads via the red blood cells. But now scientists here in Leicester say they've made a crucial discovery, a way of preventing the malaria parasite from getting into human blood cells.
Well, we've used a process called chemical genetics to be able to identify the key proteins that are involved in the survival of the parasite in the red blood cell. If we raise a drug against that protein, it stops the parasite from invading the red blood cells. 200
million people are infected with malaria worldwide. Around 500,000 of those lose their life every year. In Africa alone, a child dies of malaria every minute.
Of course, anti-malarial drugs do already exist, but the malaria parasite is gradually building up a resistance towards them. So if the research done in this lab can help create a new drug, well, that could prove crucial in the fight against this deadly disease for generations to come.
Very importantly, what the World Health Organization want is not just a cure for malaria, but to stop the malaria parasite from being transmitted from one person to the next. And we believe that the process that we've identified here in the lab, it would be a process that would not only cure malaria, but also stop the transmission of malaria.
The team is already working with a drug company to develop a new medicine, in the hope the work in this Leicester lab will go on to save lives all around the world. Tom Brown, BBC East Midlands Today, Leicester.